we have covered the roadmap. We talked about the lead generation, SEO, AI visibility, conversion, retention, and tracking. This last part is a short bonus I want to share with you. If you feel that you need some support with your marketing plans for 2026 or any other year, building your roadmap or understanding where your business stands right now, this part is for you. My name is Daniel Dramshev, and I'm the HVAC marketing expert with more than 10 years experience in the business and marketing, actually. And I help contractors build scalable systems and predictable growth. I'll explain what you can do next after this workshop and what simple steps can you start implementing right away. This 1 minute for the bonus, which I want to share with you. This is if you feel that you need some support with your marketing plans for 2026 or for building the roadmap for your business or making an audit. So this is my gift to you and giveaway. You can use the promo code workshop and go to the Netrocket prod/get in touch or call the number which you see right now on the screen, and my team will perform all the general audit of all your marketing which you have in place, and will define the opportunities which you may plan for the nearest future, even till the end of 2025 and for the 2026. So we do all the SEO and visibility audit, the ChatGPT and AI audit, the competitor snapshot, the website conversion audit, and the general overall analysis, what you do right now, what you already have in place, how the marketing is connected to the sales, and what opportunities your business have for the next year and the next years. So it will let you grow to the 8 figures and more. So once again, let's talk. Use the promo code workshop. Talk to the team. If you feel that you need this kind of support, we are here to help, and this is totally free for you. So and it's very valuable. So we invest our time in that. This is the home task. This is a home task for you from my side. Right now, what I want you to do after the webinar, after the workshop, is define what is your level, where are you at right now with your company, with your marketing, and what would be your low-hanging fruit, which you can even play with during December, even by the end of the year, when you have more time, maybe, or January. It can be something small, like start a new location in Google Map, I don't know, or relaunch your LSA, local service ads. Sorry for that. I'm back. Or because I know that a lot of companies, the LSA goes very slow for some of you, so this may be a problem, and you can do this sometimes easily, sometimes not. Or set up a leads tracking, or connect to CRM, or start using CRM. Something easy, and just one thing which you can really implement in your marketing. And of course, start collecting more reviews and start collecting more testimonials from your customers. If you're doing this already good, this is cool. And but still, I understand that there are a lot of opportunities, because reviews, it's a free marketing for your business. This may be like a low-hanging fruit for you to check out how many reviews, if you track, even if you track the reviews which you receive, how many reviews you received during the last period of time, last month. And this is actually what we are doing usually during our webinars and workshops, and in person and online. So if you find this webinar somehow helpful for you, just drop the comments, by the way, in the chat. What was maybe the main idea for you, the main takeaway for you today? And I will be I'll appreciate if you will share if you'll make a review on our Google Maps profile on Netrocket New York, or Netrocket HVAC marketing agency, it's called right now. So you'll find us in a New York location, or if you're in Miami, we have a second location there. And just leave us a review, a couple of words if you like this kind of, again, what do you find good about this kind of workshop. And this will help our business to also grow a little bit step by step. This is the very good, the very best thank you from your side if you like it. If you don't like it, leave it. I mean, skip it. So this is the Q&A session, guys. Let me know if you have any comments. Okay. Yeah, I also see that you placed 000 on the service student to House Call Pro. That was about the CRM's Jobber. Thank you for sharing that. And about the Q&A session. So if you have any questions right now, drop them in the chat. I will jump on them and comment. While I'm waiting for the questions from the live participants, I have 3 questions from the previous meetings, so I will start with them. So first questions, which we usually have question, is that why does my LSA campaign not work? Well, this is the Google guarantee if you're used to this kind of name, and it's not leading enough calls. And I can tell you that there may be a lot of reasons, a lot of different reasons. It may be budget, it may be setup, it may be the quality, how you work with your LSA account. We had a separate meeting on the LSA and the features which LSA have and the factors which you can play with in order to make it work better for your business. And we will do this once again in January or February. So I invite you to join there. And if you have some kind of these kind of issues with your LSA account, that it's not running very well, or it ran for I don't know, maybe a couple of months, and then it slowed down, also let us know, and we can check your account and see what's going on there. Again, technical issue. So the second question which we have is how should a contractor budget the marketing, like for Yelp ads, for local service ads, for Google search, and if you have any other paid channels, how you should budget them. We have 2 minutes, so this will be, I think, the last question. And I will tell you right away. So if you have more questions, just go to netrocket.pro/get in touch and drop the comments and drop the questions through our website. We will get back to you with the answers and the analysis of your project. So I will tell that in terms of budgeting, usually we don't budget just like that, how much should I pay for the lead, or how much should I pay for something. We budgeted from the revenue which we want to attract, which we want to receive. Because usually if you have a ticket for, let's say, HVAC system installation, it will be, I don't know, let's make it $15,000. And usually for budget, I recommend for the contract, I recommend spending like 10 to maximum 18% if you're very aggressive, but 10-15%, this is a good spot, a good number. So you have a budget of at least $1,500 up to $2,000 to close that deal. So this is, and then depends, if you're closing 1 out of 5, then the 20% conversion rate, then you need 5 leads to close the one deal. So your leads in any channel with this kind of conversion with 20%, they may cost up to $200. So you don't have to be afraid if your leads are like you getting leads for $150, because this will, with this kind of conversion rate, it will be inside your budget. So this is the correct way how you should actually budget each channel, the Facebook ads or Google ads or Yelp ads. You just track the conversion. You understand what is the average ticket from this channel which you're getting from that offer you promote, and then you calculate how much budget you have per lead and how much budget you have per acquired client. And of course, inside that funnel, you can play with the other metrics to make it work better. So we have one question. Set up GMB and launch the LSA, but the result are not great so far. Any tips on what I should next? So definitely, John, we can actually jump on your and have a look on your account, because they may be like 20 things to look at inside your account, see what's not working. So take this chance I don't know, connect with us, and we will see what's not working and why. It may be pictures which you uploaded. It may be the strategy which you chose for the budgeting. It may be the budget which you allocate for a week because others may allocate more. It may be the Google My Business settings and the connections. So we need to see what's connected and how it's connected. It may be other things which you may change in the targeting and so on in your LSA. So let us have a look. This will be free of charge for you, and we will see what opportunities you have there. So, guys, this is mostly it. Again, if you have any other questions, don't hesitate. Contact us on netrocket.pro. Get in touch, and I will make sure that me and my team will check out your website, and yeah, and we'll give you like a very interesting feedback with opportunities and with a lot of stuff which we will see in your business and in your area. That's it for today. I hope this workshop helped you better understand where your business stands right now and what direction you move next. If you have questions, drop them in the comments to this video, or just reach out. We'll be happy to take a look at your situation and analyze your business and see what opportunities your business and your company has. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your time, and I'll appreciate if you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next workshops on this channel. That was Daniel. Bye.